I see your dying soul on the verge of dying soon. Yet your flesh is fattened and in glamour, but dressed only in deception, pretense and vanity, rotten beneath the robes. You want my heaven but not my holiness, my blessing but not my lordship, my grace but on your schedule, dipping into mercy like a well you did not dig and do not intend to keep. Do you really think you can make it into eternity without me? I am truth, I am the way, I am the light. You want eternity, but you will not even spend 20 minutes with me. Change your ways. Change your mind, or else I'll spew you out. I detest lukewarmness. My mercy and love still stands, but time is ticking. So make up your mind. The hourglass is real, the Ascent is moving, and every grain that falls is a moment you will not get back. You are suffocating, unable to breathe, yet your pride keeps you from reaching out. Your body is full, but your spirit is hollow. Your calendar is packed, but your soul is empty. Your name is known, but not in the book of life. You are gaining the world, yet losing your soul. Indulging in more activity, more achievements, more evidence that you are okay. Pretending to a world that cannot save you. And so your suffocation continues. Change your ways. Change your mind, or else I'll spew you out. I detest lukewarmness. My mercy and love still stands, but time is ticking. So make up your mind. The hourglass is real, the Ascent is moving, and every grain that falls is a moment you will not get back. You have, but you still want more. And you close the doors of those trying to make ends meet. But I see you, and what I see grieves me. You pleaded, you promised and cried that I bless you, and I did. But the lust of the eyes now has its hold on you, making your greed to even grow more. You now have, and having was supposed to make you generous. That was the assignment, the promise you made. Remember? Blessed to be a blessing, overflowing, not for your storage, but for your neighbor's survival. Change your ways. Change your mind, or else I'll spew you out. I detest lukewarmness. My mercy and love still stands, but time is ticking. So make up your mind. The hourglass is real, the Ascent is moving, and every grain that falls is a moment you will not get back. Your soul is not too far gone. The lean can be restored. The suffocation can end. The hollow can be filled, but not while you stand there, stiff with pride on the edge of grace, too stubborn to fall in. Change your ways. Change your mind, or else I'll spew you out. I detest lukewarmness. My mercy and love still stands, but time is ticking. So make up your mind. The hourglass is real, the sand is moving, and every grain that falls is a moment you will not get back. For I am the way, the truth, and the life, here to save your soul from dying.